If we'll catch him. If we'll catch him. Surely. They're probably still down there. Alright, I got the Connie. Let the blood flow. Let the blood flow, dude. Come on, Danny. Alright, I got the Danny too. Yeah, rage quit. Yeah, rage quit. Boom. Right in the gut. Or in the heart. Right in the heart. Anna's still down here. Or Maria. Maria, Maria. You guys don't know what they're doing, Kick. Wow, I've hit her so many times. Yeah, I was gonna say she should be bleeding out. Yeah, rage quit. Yeah, rage quit. Alright, I think they're all, well, one of them left and then 3 are dead. GG. That's why you stay in the basement, yo. Pulling her out of the coffin. Come on out. Oh. She's bleeding out, hello? Alright, I got her. Wait, she gets like... Why did she die there? That's not even the execution that I have either. That was really weird. Is there like a % chance that you just like... That's gotta be because she went in there, right? I am so confused. And why did I only get 78 blood for that, by the way, too? This game's weird. I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm confused. Bruh. This map is boring. these guys are just hiding the whole time. Oh, man. Oh, this gameplay. Oh my god. Okay, I think I kind of understand this map a little bit more. One's over by the generator. Actually, there's two of them over here. One's in my trap. Alright, I got the Sunny. Finally, they came out. Julie's over here somewhere too. I don't know where. Did she like walk over here? Wait, she literally disappeared. She walked over here, didn't she? Dude, I am tripping. I don't even know. Bro. I don't know if my game is just completely bugged or what is happening, but am I tripping, bro? Julie was there and then she wasn't. And she disappeared going over that way. Like, I am so confused. Like, I literally thought that there was like an opening over here that she just walked through. Huh? Huh? Why is Sissy in the basement? Oh my god, I'm teleporting. Maybe some of these... Am I tripping, bro? Maybe some of these, victims are hacking? I don't even know. Oh. Good job, good job. Alright, never mind. I have no idea where she went. Like, she literally just disappeared. What is happening, bro? That shit cray. GG. Oh, he was going for the generator, I think. Oh my god, dude. You want to see what's in my pouch? Kill them all. Johnny in the basement? Where's Johnny at? Oh, thanks for a follow, yo. Who is this? Who is this? San Scarant. Thank you for the follow, yo. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Appreciate you, I appreciate you. Where's our Johnny? Is he AFK? Dude, where's our Johnny at? Oh, he's over there, okay. He's just running around like a little silly head, dude. This Virginia has a lot of points. Oh god, I'm teleporting. Connie's coming out from another house, but she's going back to the basement. No, the Virginia's pay to win. Help, help, help. Bro. I think this is a 4-man. That probably hurt. That didn't feel too good. Okay. I don't understand, but okay. Did get a lot of damage on them. That Virginia should be hurting pretty bad. Wait, what? Nice, good job. Yeah, I was gonna say that Virginia should be pretty low. I don't know why she went up. Oh, she died right there. Damn, that is a ripperoni right there, my guy. So there's the pressure valve. Oh, I think Johnny's getting bullied by the left battery gate. Jesus, oh God, this fucking thing. Oh, he's in the bush in the middle over here, right in the middle, right behind you, Johnny. Smacking him. He's on me. Boom, baby. Let's go. Yes, let it bleed out, dude. Dude, that neck. Oh my God, it's so much blood. Got him. Get him. Oh, one's in my trap. Back of the house, yeah. Side of the house. I'm gonna feed Grandpa real quick. Shadow Wolf. Not the Shadow Wolf, bro. Oof. Rip. Alright, so the last one has the least amount of points. They are scared, dude. They are scared. Oh. GG, boys. GG.